Good morning, Spiller. Hey, cutie. Hi, Harry. Oh gosh, don't do that, Spiller. Be nice and share. You have to share. Good morning. It's Saturday. And I think this means it's been a month on the road, which is crazy. But I'm back at my friend's farm. And I just woke up and gonna say good morning to all the critters. It's a nice, beautiful, chilly morning. Let's see what they're up to. Good morning. You guys having breakfast? Hi, babe. Hey. Harry. Oh, that's not Harry. Meow. Meow. I don't remember your name. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, guys. Okay, and now they're done. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Crunchy.
That's a good sign.
Oh my gosh. Silly. Sunday morning brunch. Well, it's now the afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon. And I'm taking the leftover food out to the babes. It's probably gonna be chaos because the goats are just crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna give them some stuff. Circa literally licked the bowl clean. So hungry. So pretty. Playing with your hat because his nails are too long. He's trying to kill me. Good morning. It's Monday morning. I'm heading out to say good morning to all the animals. They're gonna start yelling. But I think I'm leaving here today. As much as I could just stay, and I know Mike would just let me stay, I gotta keep moving. I want to head west. So yeah, he went to work and I'm just slowly getting myself together, and then I'm gonna hit the road. But yeah, let's say good morning to everyone. Hi. Hello. Hi, Jux. Good morning. Hi, Ursa. Well, Mud got his broccoli. I don't have any more. I just had one. Dill. You stinking cutie. All done. I don't have anything else. Sorry. You silly. And I can't let you out. I'm sorry. I wish I could. You guys are so cute. I don't have anything. I'm sorry. I'm all out. Just got some lovin'. I love your face. Ugh. So cute. Man, I'm gonna miss this. Of course, today is like the last warm day. It's supposed to be like weird weather though. It's getting super windy and then it's gonna rain randomly. And then after that, it's gonna be pretty chilly pretty much everywhere. So, like, even in Miami, the highs are low comparatively. So, that's why I've decided to just embrace it. I'm gonna go start heading west. I wanted to go to some springs before I officially left Florida because I'm in the area where they're everywhere. And I'm gonna look right now. I might figure out if I can make it to one today before any crazy weather happens, but we'll see. If I don't get it, it's okay. But anyway, I'm gonna leave soon. Maybe an hour or so. Boot came to join me, begging for scratches. My gosh, you're such a slobbery cat. What the hell? Drool master. All right, off I go. West. Still not really sure what I'm doing. Shocker, I know. It don't really matter, you know? Just got to find somewhere to sleep. That's all I'm thinking about. I'm probably gonna find a nice camp spot because I'm in like that northern Florida area where there's plenty of random places to park and camp. Okie dokie, let's go. All right, I have arrived at Royal Springs State Park. Of course, they're building a freaking house right next to it. It's like right over there. So there's all that noise. But whatever. It's actually funny. I showed up and I wasn't expecting there to be someone charging you to get in because I'm the only person here and it's in the middle of nowhere. So I thought it was gonna be like a freezer spring. But she immediately tried to get my money and I was like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay. Like, can I just use the bathroom and check it out? She was like, that's fine. And so I did, and I'm walking back after checking out the water and she just starts like going at me. She was so mad because she thought I was scamming her and I was like, wait, no, I just wanted to decide if I was gonna stay or not because and then she felt bad so she just let me stay for free. But anyway, here's the spring. There's nobody here. It's so nice. And I did check the water and it was 72 degrees. It's nice and it's warm out today, so it was pouring rain a minute ago, honestly, and now it's perfect out. So big turtle. I'm gonna swim with the turtle. Wow, it's so deep. Oh my god, I don't think you can really tell. I'm going in. I'm gonna do it. That construction is very annoying, but whatever. It is so deep. Ah! I gotta do a better jump in. Gotta love the chainsaw in the background. It is so freaking deep. I don't think you can really tell. As much as I want to be brave and dive off of that, jump off of it, I'm not going to. This is good enough. So I have arrived at my camp spot. This is technically a boat ramp, but there's nobody here, and it's so awesome. I am so excited. This is exactly what I was looking for. So I can have a little fire and just hopefully be alone. I mean, the sun's setting, so unless other people are gonna camp, it should be good. I'm so happy. Alright, I gotta make dinner because I'm hungry. I finally got a little fire. It was so difficult because it's so windy, but now it's benefiting, so. And my dinner's almost done, and I'm so excited. Oh boy, this is perfect. I'm very happy. Toasting a Nature Valley Crunch Bar again. I don't know if you remember, if you're a real fan. I did this last year at another camp spot. Oh man, it's cold. This is not what I was hoping for this winter. And every minute I'm like, I could still go south, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna deal with the cold. And yeah, it's actually very cozy under the blanket. I'm not cold under the blanket at all. I just don't want to get up. And I really don't want to get up right now because someone just fucking, I don't even know when they got here because I fell asleep. I fell back asleep. And they're just parked right next to me. And I don't know if they're in the car or what's going on. So, gotta love it. Like, literally no one has been here all night. And then someone shows up at 7 a.m. Like, what the fuck? Oh, well. Alright, I am in Tallahassee. I went to the gym and it's lunchtime now. So I'm at this park, Cascades Park, which I'm excited to explore. But first I'm gonna make lunch. And yeah, this would be nice to explore. Pretty flowers. It's so pretty here. There's so much stuff going on. The whole theater there. Definitely gotta get on a swing, that's for sure. There's a slide, so I'm going down. There's nobody around. Here we go. Whee! Oh my god. Oh, that was fun. Alrighty, it's Wednesday morning. Actually, it's, I don't know what time it is, what day it is, because I am officially in Central Time Zone. I literally like just crossed the border. Yeah, I drove west again this morning for an hour or so, and I'm at this state park now, which is right in the middle of the Panhandle, like literally right where the time zone changes. And yeah, I'm here. I'm a little high right now, that's why I'm fumbling. But I'm the only one here and have this beautiful lake view, which I'm very excited about. It's a little chilly, it's pretty chilly, but I am gonna survive. And yeah, I'm coming to see if they have power, which it looks like they do, because okay, hopefully I can use that. My power station, I mean, it's still as like 60% right now, but with the cold weather, it's really draining a lot faster, so I want to charge it. And I mean, hopefully that outlet works. I should maybe test it with something smaller because that thing is fucking heavy and I have to walk all the way across. But it should work, right? Maybe. Anyway, stay here for a little while and enjoy the peace, and then I want to hopefully find somewhere to camp or just secluded tonight because I just want this peace and quiet. I found an outlet in the bathroom. Luckily there's just nobody around, so it should be done in like 30 minutes. There's no construction today, but they're mowing the grass, which I'm pretty sure he didn't mow this grass yet, which is insane because it's like an inch tall. And that's so silly, but hopefully he'll stop and it will truly be silent and peaceful. But I just can't seem to find that. It's insane. Anyway, still enjoying this very much so. Time to take a little walk. I have arrived at some kind of recreation area that people online said parking overnight is cool. I don't know. The spot where everyone said it was a little sketchy, so I'm in a different spot, which is very nice. There's paddling trails there, picnic tables, and then the sun is starting to set. It's very nice. We're gonna just hope that I can stay here and nobody comes and bothers me. We'll see. Either way, I'm gonna walk around a little bit and explore this spot before I start making dinner because I'm hungry. But this is pretty nice. There's I think this is, yeah, the river. It said river. I wish I had a kayak, gosh. This is very pretty though. It's very peaceful. Super nice. Yeah, fingers crossed that I don't get in trouble for being here. I don't think so, but we'll see. Wow, it's so nice. There's an owl. This is the first time that I'm waking up with ice on the windows, because last night the low was 29. But I just turned the car on, did some defrosting, and it's really fine. I was fine last night because my setup's warm, but I'm still amazed. I'm kind of, yeah, because I'm still in Florida. But yeah, whatever. I have arrived at, I think I'm in Walton, South Walton, and I'm so excited. I had to pee first, but I'm gonna go check it out. Holy shit. OMG. I can't even. This is so beautiful. Holy crap. Wow. I don't think the camera can do any justice. I so want to go swimming, but it's freezing out. Wonder how cold the water is. I made my little wrap and I'm gonna sit and enjoy this beautiful view. And then I'm gonna go down there when I'm done. I'm so excited. It's insane. I just can't believe it. It's pretty cold. I'm honestly still tempted to get in, but I'm probably not going to, just because it's so cold outside of the water. I'd probably freeze my butt off. But I mean, look at how fucking beautiful it is. I just want to be in it. Look how clear. This is insane. Look at this sand. So beautiful. I so desperately wish it was like 80 degrees. But it's okay. It's still amazing. When it is cold out and the sun is shining through the window, it's so nice and toasty in here. I don't even want to be out there. I mean, like, I was out there for a couple hours on the beach, but it's so nice in here and I just get the sun right on me, so yeah. I'm probably gonna move soon though. It's only like 2 o'clock and I'm like adjusting to the time change, even though it's only an hour, but I think I'm gonna move about like half an hour west of this is Santa Rosa Beach, so it'll be Miramar Beach, and there's a spot on the side of the beach that you can park and camp, so I might go there. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, I have not really shown like details of this life, which I'm sure is interesting because it's interesting when I watch. So I'm gonna try to do that more. I'm gonna briefly show you how I'm making dinner right now. It's pretty much done, but I'm making ramen and it's a good one. It's always good. I don't have just a packet of ramen. I'm about to add some tahini, coconut aminos. Oh my god. Nutritional yeast. I got some garlic powder. I put some gochujang in there and it came with the packet and some oil. But yeah, let me show you. So I usually I've been parking in a random empty spot. And then in the back here is my fridge and my power station. And then I put my little rice cooker on top of it. And yeah. It usually takes, it depends, like rice will take like 20 to 30 minutes. I really don't time it anymore. I've just been winging it because I'm usually smoking at the same time. So sometimes I burn it, whatever, but so I got carrots and baby spinach and tofu in there. And I could put more, but I don't have much more. That's the veggies I have in the fridge right now. And I kind of want to put some miso in there, but it's miso flavored, so I'm like, I'm just gonna leave it and do the gochujang and tahini. And I just realized vegetarian doesn't mean vegan, but it is vegan, I think. I hope. But yeah, it's bubbling away. I'm gonna probably wait another minute just to make sure the noodles have cooked all the way, because they're probably fine, but I'm just gonna wait like one more minute. And yeah, ooh, that's pretty tasty. It's gonna be so good when I add everything else. But yeah, I'll sit and eat and fuck around, and then when I'm done, I'll clean up, put that away in the kitchen, and put all the spices and stuff in the blue one. And yeah, pretty simple, I think. I mean, for living in a car and cooking ramen in a Instant Pot, or it's not even an Instant Pot, it's a rice cooker, but it works for all kinds of things. Yeah, and I usually just take that little pot out and put it on my plate, as you've probably seen, because then I don't have to dirty the plate and I can hold it because it's hot. It's very hot. The whole bowl is hot. Yeah. Debating. I have lime juice and cilantro. Hell yeah. What? That's not a debate. What the fuck? I'm also gonna put lime juice and cilantro on there. Because I have cilantro, my favorite. Yeah. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, we're gonna do a little POV action. I just got super toasted. Okay, so this is how we do it in this car. Alright, I got my yummy ramen ready. I'm gonna use the oil packet. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm not gonna put the whole thing because I'm putting tahini in there. I don't know why I say it like that, but I just... a good bit. Oh, shit. Like at least a tablespoon, maybe 2 if you're feeling it. I don't know why that's wet. I should taste it before I put coconut aminos in there. Wrong side. Yeah, that's probably enough. And just a little bit of garlic powder, why not? Oh, and lime. I'm probably not gonna... Well, actually, I might use this whole thing. Did y'all hear that? That was a loud bang. And the cilantro. I'm not gonna use all of this, even though I want to. And I do not feel like picking it off of the stems. And look, I'm getting cilantro everywhere, so tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to clean it all up because I'm not doing it tonight in the dark. Yeah, boy. Okay, let me mix this up with a plastic fork because that's all I've got. Thank goodness I have it. I finally got one yesterday after not having a fork for, I don't even know, like a week at least. So this is like slop, but it's ramen. I don't like it so brothy. I like it creamy and thick. Yeah. So I'm about to eat that and watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch. So last night I decided after dinner to drive another like hour and a half to Pensacola. So that's where I am now. And I'm sleeping on the pier. It's super duper windy. You can't see, but the clouds are moving so fast, and it's so windy that my car keeps shaking. But otherwise I slept pretty good. It's supposed to be cloudy and rainy and super windy all day, so I might be staying in here for most of the day. Of course it's gonna be the warmest day, but what can you do? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna stay in here for a little while though. Well, the weather's already crazy, but it's gonna start raining soon, so I figured I'd walk around this beach park before it does. But it's yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be a chill day. It's supposed to be raining all day. I love that. I do yards. Alright, let's see. Well, the rain is not quitting, and the wind is crazy. So I think I'm just gonna drive a bit today. I'm going to, I love when people walk by and they see me and they're like, and they just stare. Where did that guy go? Fucking crazy man running in the rain. What the fuck? Anyway, I'm gonna leave Florida. officially. And it feels weird because Florida is definitely like a safe, familiar kind of place, but I know that everywhere else will probably be the same, if not better. So I'm just trying to stay excited and positive. And yeah, I'm gonna head to Alabama and stop there before I get to New Orleans, I think, today. Because, yeah, just I try to look at the weather and plan ahead, but it kind of does whatever it wants anyway. But yeah, let's hit the road. Well, I've arrived in Alabama and I'm at this Bayside Park. I would love to get out and go sit on those swings, but it's still raining a tiny bit. Really not so bad, but I'm gonna make some lunch first and hopefully it'll stop and then I can go explore. It's pretty. Well, I've been sitting in the car for hours and oh my gosh, I have to get past these puddles. I got Crocs on, it's raining. Anyway, I've been sitting in the car for hours and it finally like kind of stopped raining and I just had to move, so I'm exploring this park. It's nice, there's a little dry spot. Beware of alligators. Oh my god, there's a whole trail down there. I'm not gonna do much because I don't know if it's gonna start raining again. But yeah, it's like almost 4 o'clock, so I gotta figure out what I'm doing next. Okay, another meal that I made. Pretty much done now. Hopefully you can see that. Tofu marinating in a sauce that I quickly threw together. And then I put rice, broccoli, and carrots in the little rice cooker. I put the broccoli in at the same time as the rice and the carrots shortly after it starts getting hot because they're already shredded. Lately this has been browning the rice. I don't even know where that brown is coming from, but oh my god, it's so steamy, holy shit. But yeah, crispy rice, Jesus. This is actually a lot of food. Oh, there's a, okay. Anyway, yeah, that's my dinner that I'm gonna enjoy a lot. I've been having this so much. Oh my god, this is a lot. I made a little too much rice, but that's okay. I'll still eat it all. Yummy.